This 2026 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 25 FKD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Anna, Illinois, 62906 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Anna. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a UMBER LUXE interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.